Hey there service pros, welcome back to Workstair tutorial videos. In this video we're going to explore the process of setting up the mobile app and assigning a job to a technician. First, we need to create a Jobhead user in Workstair before using the mobile app. Go to Settings, and select Users. Next, go to the Jobhead tab. To add a new Jobhead, click New. Then fill the form. First, enter the username and select the corresponding employee from the drop-down menu. If the employee hasn't been created yet, create an employee first and set an email ID and password. Now we have created a Jobhead user. Now let's move to the mobile app. First, let's install the Jobhead mobile app from the App Store or Play Store. Then log into the app using the Jobhead credentials that we created now. After logging in, you'll see the schedules screen, which will be empty because no schedules have been assigned yet. Now, let's assign some job schedules to him. Let's go back to the Workstair web app and assign this schedule. Once assigned, the schedule will appear on the mobile app. Similarly, all schedules for the day will show on the mobile app as you assign them. The Jobhead technicians can click Start Job on the mobile app when they begin work, and the status will update on the web app. Upon completion, mark the schedule as ended. That's a wrap on the mobile app setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.